So just like everything on these Fitbits, it's just snappies. Try not to break them. Snappy. Yeah, snappy. And then right from here, all I see is one Phillips down here. But let's check it out a little bit. Yeah, so you do have to take the panel off, and you got those red, whatever you call those, pokies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just be careful, don't break them. And then you got those 3 Phillips to get to the actual. And also that plug right there. And the handle has a Phillips as well. Alright, so after you get it to there, there's 5 or 6 little Phillips all around. And the last one is right there. And then you can actually get the switch up. Then there's one Phillips I took out, and I'm sure there's 3 more in there somewhere. I just gotta get to it, but I'm gonna check these switches. The problem there is that main auto. All the other 3 window switches and that door lock and the lockout for the windows, all those work. For some reason or another, that main auto, my window, don't work no more. And also in the fuse panel up there, there's a 20 amp fuse for this window that arcs, but it don't blow the fuse. So I'm guessing there's something in there that fucking sucks. And then once you get this fucking deep into it, it's the bottom. There's a little Phillips there and a little hidden Phillips over here. Yeah, so you gotta get those little bastards. Alright, so fucking with this thing for about 15 minutes. I figured out it, just like everything, like I said, snappy was. So there's a snap there, and then you pry the back up, and you can get this whole cage to swing up on a hinge there. I don't know if you can see that. There's the hinge. Yeah, and it's just this plastic cage. It's pretty sweet once you figure it out. It's maddening until you get there, but anyway, once you get to this point, you swing it up, and then then you got access to all those little Phillips. 1, 2, and then of course, I got the back too. You can kind of see them before you figure out that this whole fucking thing swings open. Anyway, so there we go. Now I can, get access to Batiwa. So there's that plastic cage that holds it with the hinge thing up, kind of an orientation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips. Get that whole cage out. It has to come out because that one snap is on the back of this thing right there. So screwdriver, snap, pry the back open. That cage comes up, and you can get to all those. Alright, so first thing I notice, a lot of grunge. I smoke cigarettes and other things. There's a shit ton of, it looks like ashes. And then the sound. All of these are pretty snappy, and this one is dull as fuck. So I'm guessing that's the problem. I'm gonna get the compressor, blow all that shit out, take that out, look at the actual thing, and I'm thinking that's it. I'm hoping. If not, I'm just gonna run a toggle for that one. So there's the board. There is a spring there, so be careful. And yeah, this board, I'm just seeing all kinds of nasty there. Focus, you fuck. Anyways, that blue is the the master switch, and there's just I don't even know what that is. This fucking thing will not focus. But yeah, that blue box with the LED on it, and there's just shit everywhere. So I'm just gonna blow all these out, and I think my switch will fucking work. Alright, thanks for paying attention. Installation is reversive removal. I hope I explained it or have shown the window switch in the 2013 Honda Fit. They're weird little cars, but they're cool. I like them. They're ugly as sin, but A to B, right?